Computer, ask Roomba to clean the kitchen.
Okay, I'll tell him.
Okay, we're looking at the Roomba J7 Plus, and I just asked him to go clean the kitchen, and so that's what he's doing. So if you just paid attention, you would just notice that the robot just went straight to the kitchen. And this is pretty much one of the best features of this robot. Navigation is very on point. The internal map and camera really helps him navigate with the environment. And we'll see a bit later on other things that the camera can do. Now this kitchen is more than 10 feet wide, and the Roomba is able to do back and forward very neatly. Other robots that I have are limited by a 10 by 10 area at a time, so being able to go back and forward like this is a lot faster because the robot doesn't have to stop and turn as often. Cleaning performance is good, not excellent. There's some bits and pieces that sometimes are left behind. Things that I think the robot should have been able to pick up. The mop is a nice addition to have, but it's not the reason why I would buy this robot. It's the equivalent of dragging a wet rag behind a robot with some cleaning solution, so that helped, but unless there's some scrubbing action, I don't think it does a big enough difference. Okay, so now it's about done. It's just finishing up cleaning the wall edges, and it's going to return to its home base. Now the home base has this very strong vacuum inside. This is how the robot is getting cleaned. Once the robot is fully docked, the vacuum is going to start. So it's going to get very loud, so don't be shocked. Okay, so at this point I just wanted to have some fun with the vacuum, see how good the camera and the AI is. And the robot is trying to reach the hallway just below the screen, but I have put this electric cord right on his path. So he's trying really hard to find a way to get through. Obviously he can't because I put it pretty tight. Trying pretty hard, but eventually he's going to give up and he's going to return to his charging station. So now I did the same test, but I put other things. There's the socks, sandals, and a pair of shoes. So one thing I realized is he would never touch socks or shoes. The sandals though, hit or miss. Sometimes it's going to try really hard to avoid it. Sometimes it's going to go straight through. So just now he just reached the hallway, so I put everything back, and now I'm asking him to return to his home base. So it's scanning all around. That's what he's doing when he spins around. The camera is looking all around his surrounding. And again, he would not touch this pair of socks. So you want to go back at it, but he's not allowed, so he's trying to find another way through. Obviously it just walls over there, so he's coming back and back and forward again, trying to find another way through. Again, he won't touch his pair of shoes, he won't touch the socks, or those sandals. Okay, so I hope this helped you out understand this robot a bit better. Thank you very much for watching.
Hello everyone, I'm doing a unboxing for the iRobot Roomba combo. It is a robot, vacuum, and mop combination, okay? It has automatic dirt disposal. This is the product right here. As you can see, it is beautiful. It is very, very well made, very, very good hardware. The design of it, it's very, very innovative for today's cleaning, for easy cleaning for today's jobs. This is the accessories it came with. Well, this is the power cord, and this is the accessories it came with. An extra filter. It has the extra brushes. And this is also a hard surface floor cleaner concentrate made by iRobot. And this is also hardwood floor cleaner concentrate as well. Hard surface floor cleaner, I'm sorry. And this is the extra brushes to do the floors with. They gave you 2 of them, which is great as well. And this is the instructions to follow, to learn. And this is the this is the instruction manual that it comes with as well. And so it is a very good product, and I highly recommend this item. Thank you.
This.
A lot of kids have their interviews out here. Yeah. This stuff, you know.
I think my second question was a little bit challenging to hear, but I was asking him whether he thinks Navani's death will do anything to nudge House Republicans to take action. He obviously didn't sound very optimistic. He also told another reporter that
Everyone is in danger.
You must be great at clue.
It's a terrible, terrible game. Glass Onion, a Knives Out mystery.